evening, ma'am. This is my speech titled Our Shared Home. Our shared home. The state of the environment is a critical issue facing our planet, from climate change to pollution. We see these consequences of our action every day. It's time to change, and it's time for us to play our part. Every single of us the power to make difference from the choices we make at the grocery store to the way we dispose of our trash. Our actions matter. Today I want to talk about how we call on do our part to protect our shared home to the earth. We all share one planet, and it's a beautiful one with majestic mountains, vibrant forests, and sparkling ocean. But lately, we've been treating primarily pollution for our air, plastic, cookies, or waters, and we're losing forests faster than we can replant them. This is just a problem for our scientists of activities. It's something that affects us all. Think about the air you breathe and the water you drink, the food you eat. They all depend on a healthy environment. We have to be smarter about how we use resources, choosing things that are good for our planet, good for us. That means making small changes in our daily lives. We can make bike or take public transport instead of driving. We can choose products made from recycled materials and be mindful of how you use energy. We don't have to be perfect, but we can all do our part. By working together, we can protect our planet and ensure beautiful and healthy place for generations to come. Thank you.